Pope Benedict XVI became the first pope to resign in almost 600 years. The College of Cardinals convened and voted Jorge Bergoglio to be the new pope. He took the name Francis I. Point Park University students told us what they knew about him.
That he is a man of many firsts. He's the first pope to take the name Francis. He's the first pope from the Americas, and he's the first Jesuit that's ever been selected.
He's very fundamentalist Roman Catholic.
I think that it's going to be a change because he is the first pope from the Americas.
Bergoglio comes from the Latin American country of Argentina. He is the first pope to be elected from the Americas. He is also the first non-European pope in almost 1,300 years. With newly elected Pope Francis I comes a new change in the Roman Catholic religion. Students offer what changes they believe the Catholic Church should make moving forward.
I do think there should be more inclusion.
The Catholic religion needs to step up and make itself more modern.
I really think that they need to just expand their views.
Just more open-mindedness to other people and their thinkings.
Pope Francis I takes the role of Holy Father for the Catholic Church during a time like no other pope has seen before. Facebook, Twitter, and other forms of social media quickly display anything the Pope has going on. Students gave their thoughts to how Pope Francis will do during his time as Holy Father of the Roman Catholic Church.
He just seems like he's a people person, and I just feel like he's going to be a good change for the Catholic Church.
With so many firsts and new changes coming to the Roman Catholic Church, Pope Francis I has his work cut out for him during his time as Pope. For Point Park University, I'm Chris Hoffman.